What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you guys how to connect your Shopify store with the Mailchimp. For that the process is very simple, easy and to the point. I will be providing the link in the description. Make sure you guys check it out in order to go to the right place at the right time. So just log in with your official account. Once you're in the dashboard, all you have to do is to navigate yourself on the left hand side, scroll it down, and then you will be able to see this option that says integration. Here, search Shopify, and then you will be able to see that there are multiple options: Shopify, Shopify Plus. If you are a user of a Shopify Plus membership, then you go ahead with that option. Otherwise, go with the Shopify basic option. So it says get started, click on that, and it will lead you to a page of a Shopify. Then you have to install that plugin into your Shopify store, and then all of those stats will be able to redirect those tasks to the Mailchimp. Just sign in with your official Shopify store, and that is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.